What's up, everyone? So I got my compression gauge here, and I'm gonna I did a quick test on a couple holes. Some of them were good, some of them weren't. I'm gonna run through with you real quick. I'm just gonna run down all the holes. I just briefly did it. I didn't really get a chance to really remember what holes were low. Just had a general idea of it. Cylinder one's on 50. Run down this whole side here. I know two of the holes on this side are dead for sure. When I did put this in, I did have at least 100-ish on all the holes. This one's on 30. So I definitely heard it good this time. Not as bad as what last time was, as I had pieces of piston stuck in the wastegate last time. So cylinder 3's got 90, cylinder 5, I should say. 1 and 3 are both low, 50 and 30. I do remember cylinder 7 had nothing on it.
Is there an area you want me to film?
So, get out of my way. Cylinder 7, it's dead. I'm assuming I probably busted a ring gland. So I got 1, 3, and 7 on this side. I don't remember what side it was on, which one's on this side. So the cylinder 2 is at 30, which is quite surprising how quickly it all come apart, because that last pull it actually ran really good. It was just a lot of blow by. So for being this low on compression, it's crazy on how good it actually ran right up until the end. So 2 and 4 on 30 psi. I don't remember what hole. I think there's 2 holes that have over 90. Which is quite crazy, because the last engine that completely blew apart, it only had 2 dead holes. Well, I guess it didn't like that now, huh? Awesome. So cylinder 6 is at 70, 80. Which could be expected for being a high mileage engine. I mean, so as it stands, what's like 3 holes so far that are above 50 psi. Yeah, cylinder 8's completely dead. So 8 and 7 are dead. The rest of them are low, so I'm probably just gonna have to end up just pulling the whole motor out. It's probably gonna be a lot faster that way. I'm assuming that's probably trashed a couple cylinder walls for being completely dead on 2 holes. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna strip down the motor, get it ready to come out. Probably gonna take me an hour or so. The biggest part's getting the turbo log off. Yeah.
So yeah, so the amount of crazy stuff I had to do to get this manifold to even seal up. The guy at Freight Motorsport, I didn't realize it until afterwards. The 3 back manifold bolt holes were completely destroyed. Like there's no threads left. I basically had to oversize everything up to a 3/8, which is not correct. Thought it was kind of funny. That's kind of get old though, blowing up motors one after another because oil sure ain't getting cheaper. Heck, it cost you freaking $60 just to put oil in it. I mean, it's not like it's fuel soaked or anything. AFR's averaged about 12 and a half, 13 wide open. So, you know, it's not like I was being ridiculous. I mean, I definitely wasn't leaning on it. Yeah, most of them kind of blow apart. Are being abused with. I mean, heck, most people are running 20 degrees. I can only run 12 degrees of timing, you know. And yes, it's legal. It's got a safety stop. There's one side torn off. Gotta get the swap harness, everything pulled off. It takes a minute. Gotta rip the other manifold off. Alrighty. Knock these guys out. Hello. You guys trying to go for a ride or something here? Oh, no. Easy. There we go. Alright, now for the fun one. The one you can never reach. Once I find that wrench I had in my hand a minute ago. Famous last words. Did you take my wrench? No, I don't think you did. Or did you? Oh well. Can I fit? Nope. Tell you what though, always have 2 to 3 of everything. Certainly makes life a lot easier. That's finally real. Thank you very much. Alrighty. Well, now we can disconnect everything up front. Get all these out of here. All right. Sounds healthy, don't it? Feeling when you thought the bolt actually snapped off. But I did it. That heart sinking moment. By the way, I only paid $50 for the ratchet, so I'm not really too worried about it. See if this battery has enough. It did. Voila. One water. Can't get to the other one, unfortunately. Pull this radiator out real quick though. Make life a lot easier. Look at all that room now. Not like it wasn't there before. Thank you. All right.
Alrighty. Get you out of here. Really not too bad of a setup. I just gotta get Bellhausen bolts and motor mount bolts. Got it ground there. Nice thing about being a manual is you don't have to worry about torque converter bolts. So yeah, yeah. So we really ain't got that much more to go. Really, I just got to figure out which way I'm gonna go here. It's got to get the hood off. Makes life a lot easier. And yeah, so yeah, probably won't get it out tonight. It's already, let's see, what time is it? I don't even remember. Watch is dead, so yeah, I guess I'm probably just gonna wrap it up there tonight. Go inside, eat me some dinner. Kind of go from there. Really ain't that much left to do. Get it on the engine stand tomorrow, drain the oil, get the heads ripped off, figure out what is actually broke. I mean, for it to drop 2 holes like that, and it idled just fine. It's kind of crazy though, you know, considering the last one blew apart. It had no compression on 3 holes, and it wouldn't even crank. It barely crank and ran. So it's actually quite surprising, you know. Just kind of sucked because the last one was the engine was an LS3. And if you guys know an LS3, it ain't really that cheap. Kind of hurt for it all to come apart. Actually, if you guys want to see it, I got it sitting over here now. It actually broke, it nipped up my camshaft and everything else. But, see there, cylinder 1 broke. There's pieces of piston littered through the whole motor. That's actually, I don't know why that hole was clean. That one was actually good. There's actually pieces of piston in that motor. This one here, it broke a piston, same exact way. That one there just disappeared. Pieces of piston on this hole, that hole, pistons everywhere. Brand new oil pump. So here's my cylinder heads. And there would be number 4. Destroyed it. Pieces of piston wrapped up in this valve. I still don't know how it got there, but it's kind of crazy how fast it actually come apart. I was actually on the way home and I was doing one quick rip and it just come unglued. I barely got it in the driveway. I didn't really spare no expense when I had these heads done. So, but yeah, I guess I'll wrap it up there and get the motor out tomorrow and get it up on the stand. Kind of go from there. So, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.